Stop by and take a look at the 2017 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, electroluminescent instrumentation, power steering, cargo area light, retained accessory power. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.